Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, How to HVAC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to flare copper pipe for any refrigeration, air conditioning or plumbing purpose. Before we start, you might want to check out my previous video, which is how to cut and deburr copper pipe. That way you'll know you'll get the best result when it comes to your flares. So the first things first is our flaring block. We're going to need to make sure everything is unwound and loose and able to slide back and forth and open and close. Okay, so we've got a few options here. We've got 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8 and 3/4 size. Now today's demonstration I'm going to be using 3/8 pipe, so of course we're going to use the 3/8 hole. So just open up like so and just slide your pipe into the correct slot and just clamp it with your fingers like so you can see it's just sitting in there like so. Now that's too much sticking out, okay? Also guys, before you go too much further, remember to put your flare nut on first. I'm pretty lucky today because my pipe's only this big, so I can just slot it on afterwards. So you want about 1.5 to 2 millimeters of this copper pipe exposed coming out of the top of the flaring block, okay? So roughly about there is where you want it. So if I've got a ruler here, I'm not sure if you can see. I've got about a mil and a half sticking out there, okay, which is what you want for 3/8. Now, on the flaring block, you've got these little notches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on here, you've got a red arrow. So you want to match that arrow with one of these notches, okay? So of course for 3/8 pipe, we're going to slide over the 3/8 hole and to the next notch, which is this one, and put that red arrow on that notch, which is about there, and just wind your handle in slowly until you feel it grab, which is about there, and just give it a bit of a turn, nice and firm, not too tight, just firmly. So you can see now the red arrow is lined up with that notch, okay? So if you look in here, you can see my copper pipe sticking out and the cone in there ready to flare. Next thing you want to do, guys, is wind the flaring block in, which pushes the cone into the copper. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah, that's what I'm doing anyway. So I'm just turning my handle, my flaring block, basically until it clicks. There's an inbuilt clutch with this flaring block. So just keep turning, you'll feel it getting tighter and tighter. So turn, turn. It's getting tighter, it's going to click soon. There we go, just clicked, okay? Now just give it one more little turn until you hear it stop, which is there. Now back it off all the way. Unwind it all the way. All the way until it stops, which is about there, can't go any more. Now you want to undo your handle 3/4 of the way out, and then slide your flaring block back and open the jaws like so, and here you have a perfect flare which sits nicely. And that's it, guys. That's what it should look like. Now I've also got another one here that I prepared earlier, which is on 5/8 size pipe. So that's the flare. That's it there, guys. So a quick tip before I do go: the smaller the pipe, the more you want sticking out at the top of your flaring block, okay? Not too much more. So if it's 1/4 inch you're wanting to flare, maybe 2 to 2.5 mils sticking out on top of the flaring block. The bigger sizing you're going, like to 1/2 inch, 5/8 or 3/4, the less you want sticking out. You may want to play around with this because you don't want to flare something and then realise that you flared it wrong. So you may pay to just get a bit of scrap copper and practice before you do so, okay? Righto guys, before anyone does say, I did deburr that copper pipe. That was in my previous video. But if you found this video interesting, please like it, share and comment, or even subscribe guys. I've got a lot more content coming your way. Thanks for watching guys, have a good day. I hope this helps. Thank you.